Hello friends, today I am going to discuss algorithmic state machine. So here you should know what is an algorithmic state machines. The basic component of ASM that are the state box, the decision box, the conditional box. So first of all you should know about ASM. It is useful for specifying detailed logic for sequential circuits similar to flowchart. It is useful to design the hardware of a sequential circuit. It describes the sequence of events as well as timing relationship between the states of a finite state machine. So by the help of ASM, you can know whatever the state at t equal to 0, whatever would be the state at t plus 1, that you can know. You can note relationship at t equal to 0 and t plus 1. So this is about ASM. Next is component of ASM. So first one is state box. So it is represented like this. It is represented by rectangular box, and there is a entry path, uh, there is an exit path, state name is shown here, and binary code for state is shown here. So for example is state, if state is s naught, then it is shown here s naught, and for that state if binary value is 00, then it is shown here at the right side of box. So this is about ASM. Now next is decision box of ASM. So it is represented by diamond shaped box. So basically uh, by the help of decision box, a machine will check for different conditions whatever may be the output. So this is about decision box, and next is conditional box. It is represented by oval shaped box, so it has round corner, and next is the entry path must come from one of the exit path of the decision box. So the conditional box will always be connected at the exit path of the decision box. So basically conditional box is used for mealy output, and for Murray output is shown inside the state box. Now next is draw ASM chart for the given state diagram. So here state diagram is given. In question there may be a sequential circuit. So for sequential circuit you have to find out a state diagram, and after that for state diagram you have to draw ASM chart. Okay, so question may be of different types. So here uh, state diagram is given. So for example, suppose this is S naught, this is S1, this is S2, and this is S3. This is state S naught, this is state S1, this is state S2, and this is state S3. So for state S naught, uh, its binary value is shown at right side here, and after state box, now machine will check by the help of decision box कि x1 है या x0 है. if x is 1 तो क्या होगा आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो. if x is 1 then output is also 1. so if x is 1 then output is also 1, and if x is 0 then output is 0. Now if x is 1 then there is a transition from 00 to 11. So if x is 1 then there is a transition from 00 to 11, and if x is 0 then there is a transition from 00 to 01. If x is 0 then there is a transition from 00 to 01. Okay, now suppose machine is at state s1. Now at s1 again machine will check by the help of decision box कि x1 है या x0 है. So now machine is here. So here suppose this is s1. So now machine will check x is 0 or x is 1. So if x is 1, then you can see here, if x is 1, then there is a transition from 0 1 to 1 1, matlab s1 se s3. So if x is 1, then there is a transition from 0 1 to 1 1. So this is s3 and output is 1. And when x equal to 0, then machine is at same state. So it is represented like this: machine is at same state. Okay. Now next is when machine is at S2. When machine is at S2, so again machine will check कि x1 है या x0 है. So when machine is at 10, so suppose this is S2, so now again machine will check x equal to 0 या x equal to 1. So if x equal to 1, then machine is at same state. So आप देख सकते हो, अगर x वो सेम स्टेट पे है तो इसे हम इस टाइप से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, और z हो गया 1. लेकिन जब x इक्वल टू 0 है, देन देर इज ए ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम S2 to S0. So there is a transition when x equal to 0, then there is a transition from x equal to 0, there is a transition from 10 to 00. So it is shown like this, and in between there is a output, and that is z equal to 0. Thanks for watching my video.